You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your mind? I don't wanna know. Up in ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh.
Hello world, tell me I'm not the only person who struggles waking up in the morning. You guys, I can go to bed way past midnight, 1, 2 a.m. but waking up is a struggle. At this point, I had snoozed that alarm like 5 times, but I had to get up so that I can get this video going as well as get ready for the day. So you guys, today I'm bringing you into my life. So I'm gonna take you through my day, a day in my life, go with you to my workplace, and then show you a little bit of some of the things that I do after work. Guys, am I the only one who prays in the morning? I'm not gonna lie that I pray every morning, but most mornings when I wake up in time, I remember to pray. And this also happens when I'm eating. Like any food in front of me, I'm just humming this prayer. I think most Adventists as well know the same prayer. It's always the same type of prayer in English or in Swahili. So whenever I see food in front of me, it's always God bless this food before we take it in Jesus' name. Let me know in the comment section if I'm the only one who does this.
Lost touch. What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Usually I wake up and it takes me a minute to like just wake up completely. So I do my morning routines pretty simple. I wash my face first. I have a special soap that I usually need to wash my face. I brush my teeth and then I get into the shower. I know that's kind of opposite of what most people do. Most people usually get into the shower and then brush their teeth after, but I don't know, I'm just used to doing that. After the shower, I will generally do my makeup, and it's very simple makeup. I'm gonna do this off camera so I don't make this video so long, but so I usually do very basic makeup. Mostly it's just a foundation and maybe an eyeshadow.
Sorry to my ex, you deserve more. Sorry to my ex-boss, but I'd rather stay poor. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Watch me go. Yeah, maybe I'll go to hell.
After that, the struggle is finding what to wear. Sometimes I just stand in front of my closet and just watch my clothes for a minute. Literally, I can stand there for 10 minutes looking at those clothes, but I can't see nothing to wear. Am I the only one, you guys? Let me know in the comment section if I'm the crazy one. For today, I decided to go with this black dress. I actually got it from Value Village. After that, usually I go to the kitchen and I make myself something real quick that I would carry to work. Usually I don't carry lunch to work. I just make myself a concoction. Right now we're in the season where everybody getting sick, everybody's under the weather, so I'm trying to avoid that. So I've been making this concoction of warm water, lemon juice. I always add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, and then I have been incorporating chia seed into my drinks, yogurt, smoothies, and all that. So I've been adding chia seed into this mixture and the concoction. You guys, that's a real concoction. But so far I haven't gotten sick actually, so probably it's working because my colleagues have been sick. The last week everybody was sick in the office except myself, so I think it worked. After that, I generally tend to just like pick up any shoes that goes with what I'm wearing and head out.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rollin' in Sonata, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stabbed me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna low ball me, my cojones to the big ass. Bitch, I get high. I ain't looking at the clock still.
If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking and welcome to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and always subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let's take Nana to 20,000 subscribers. You guys, I appreciate you so much.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up, big girl.
My view is just always so pretty. Like today, all of a sudden in the evening, it started snowing from nowhere. It started snowing and the view was so beautiful. I just had to capture it on my phone, you guys. The view was amazing. It's really therapeutic when you see snow falling down, and it's so beautiful when you look outside and everything is white and clean. Oh my goodness, I appreciate that. Anyways, guys, after work, usually I do different things. Sometimes I can go out, meet people because I'm new to this country. And generally new to this city. Today, I'm going to buy some groceries. I ran out of some stuff that I need to stock up on. So let's go to Whole Foods.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside you.
The good thing about Whole Foods is that they have healthy stuff. So you get majorly organic stuff for people who are so keen on their health. So yeah, I love it so much. I get my dates from Whole Foods and they are whole. I love dates. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with dates. So yeah, I get dates, I get fruits from there, and I needed lemon because I was running low on lemon, and yeah, a few more stuff. And then I headed back home, relaxed, showered, edited this video and posted for you guys. So you guys, thank you so much for watching and staying with me until this moment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
I could be raw, I could be tall, I make you feel real uncomfortable. Can give you my finger but not my hand. I won't do your silly little dance. Don't need hugs, done with the joke. I know your next move, I can be calm. Moving fast, catch if you can. And I'm happy you can stand it. Made me high then low, told me let's take it slow. Next thing that I know, you got a next best hope. Summer soon, body snows, yeah. Soon too, you'll find out that. But you just wanna roll, and all I think is